officials, President Honorable Mayor City Ramon Nito Durán III and City Vice Mayor Honorable Ivy Durán. I request everyone to please come around as we begin our show. Please settle down, everyone. Please start the short program. Masiglang buntag kanatong tanan. Welcome to the opening program of our two-day medical and dental surgical mission happening today, August 16 until tomorrow, August 17, 2025, as part of our Cebu Province 456th founding anniversary celebration. This event is made possible through the Cebu Provincial Government under the leadership of our People's Governor, Pang Maricay. In partnership with UCMed, Changhua Hospital, and the City Government of Danao under the administration of City Mayor Honorable Ramon Nito Durán III. To officially start our program, I request everyone to please rise. And together, let's offer this day and this mission to the Lord Almighty through our Thanksgiving song. to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, Subuhim and the Danao City Hymn. Please rise. and please remain standing sa mga wala. Bitaw. Once again, masidlakong buntag ka natong tanan.
Morning!
Ngayong buntag, masidlakong buntag. So alright, before we proceed, let me acknowledge once again the presence of our People's Governor, Pamela Baricuatro. So ako lang po i-acknowledge ang ato ang mga officials and distinguished guests joining us today. Of course, our City Mayor sa Danang City, Honorable Ramonito Durano III. City Vice Mayor Ivy Durano. And nasa diri ato ang Cebu Provincial Administrator sa Kadanawanon, Attorney Ace Durano. And of course, Capital Piso Consultant on Health, Dr. Elise Nicole Catalan. And to the rest of our public servants in 5th District and City Councilors, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pag-ari. And of course, dili nato kalimtan ang ato ang mga CPH personnel and our volunteer doctors and medical teams, our partners from UC Med and Chonghua Hospital. Dili na tamo matagsa-tagsa, but daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong dedikasyon ug inyong presensya in making this mission possible. By the way, I am Katrina Biancalao from the City Information Office of Danao City, and I've been serving the city government for almost 7 years already. And sa kadugay ng panahon, this is my very first time to host a very significant event dito sa Cebu Provincial Hospital, Danao. And malipayon kaayo mi na finally, with the leadership of Governor Pamela Baricuatro, priority na good sa probinsya ang healthcare sa mga Cebuanon. And for that, daghan kaayo salamat, Governor Pam. So yes, karong adlaw, we will witness compassion in action sa panagiusa sa Cebu Provincial Government, UC Med, Chonghua Hospital, CPH of Danao City Government. Our volunteer doctors, nurses, and medical staff will be bringing hope and healing to our fellow Danaoanons and Cebuanons in need of free surgeries and consultations. And now, to officially welcome us to this meaningful activity, let us hear from our very own city mayor, who has always been supportive in bringing better health services closer to the people. Let's all welcome Honorable Ramonito Durano III.
To the People's Governor, Pam Baricuatro, Capital Piso Consultant, Dr. Nicky Catalan, to the Provincial Administrator, A.S. Durano, City officials, Ivy, Vice Mayor Ivy, other city councilors, other provincial officials who are here, provincial department heads present today, personnel of the Provincial Health Services Office headed by Dr. Mary Ann Arsenal, and personnel of Cebu Provincial Hospital Danao, volunteers and officers of Chonghua and UC Med, Danao doctors, nurses, healthcare professionals, mga Danawanon o sa atong mga higala, gikan sa mga silinganang mga lungsod, masidlakong o mapahiyomong pagpuntakon sa atong tanan. Welcome to our free medical surgical mission. Daghang salamat sa kagamhanan sa probinsya sa Cebu, ubos sa maaptik nga liderato ni Governor Pam Baricuatro. Daghang salamat, Gov, na imo gayud prioridad ang panlawas sa matag usa ka Cebuanon. Salamat sa mga plano nimo para sa atong mga pampublikong hospital, hilabi na dinhi sa among takbayan sa Danao. Makasiguro ka sa among hugot nga suporta ug tabang sa mga maanindot nga katuyuan nimo para sa mga Cebuanon. On our part, the Danao City Health Services Office will continue to widen and improve our free services to the people of Danao. Among ipadayon o palapdan ang mga mobile clinic nga amo ipahigayon sa tanang 42 ka barangay sa Dakbayan. Palapdan namo ang paghatag og libreng serbisyo o paghatod og tambal sa tanang suok sa Danao. Kini mo ay gamay namong tampo nganha sa imong kadlantaw para sa probinsya. Daghang salamat and welcome to Danao City.
Daghang kayong salamat, Mayor Nito, for your words. Sa ginunan ni Mayor Nito, the Danao City Government has always placed a high priority on health and well-being of the Danaoanons. And sa ako nang giingon ganin nga, malipayon kaayo ni that finally, there is alignment between the city government of Danao and the Cebu Provincial Government in making healthcare a true shared mission for every Cebuanan. Sa liderato ni Governor Pam Baricuatro and our City Mayor, Honorable Mayor Nito Durano, we are moving as one para sa mas lig-on nga serbisyong medikal sama ni ining ato ang free 2-day surgical mission nato karon. And speaking of this mission, let's hear from someone whose dedication to public health has brought together this incredible partnership sa Cebu Provincial Government, Changwa Hospital, UCMed, CPH of the Danao City Government, and whose expertise in the medical field help bridge healthcare programs from the capital to the communities. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Capital PISO Consultant of Health, Dr. Elise Catalan.
May buntag, ninyo tanan, mainitong buntag na tong tanan. Kay bawa mo, dako kay kong pasalamat kay pagsulod pa lang nako kay nang buntag kahilak ko na kay kay walang mo kay bawa noon sa ipagdala sa atong mga doctors o sa atong mga different hospitals. So I also want to reiterate na today is a testament of what collaboration between the private and the private sector and the government can do. You can see through the collaboration and the compassion in action. I would like to acknowledge our Chongwa head, Dr. Helen Po, si Dr. John Cosing, Dr. Kisa, Dr. Abalos, and our UCMed also headed by Dr. Amanda Tan and Dr. Du also are here. Para makaibaw lang mo unsa na sila ka-dedicated, pila na may kaadlaw o simana sige plano ani unsay dadpo, Dr. Elmer po also. Salamat kay Doc. Unsay dadon diri ang mga tambal, ang mga staff, at ang mga volunteer doctors. I would like to say na Danao is very lucky because the doctors coming here could be anywhere else. But they really gave their time and their effort. Ako kay may bakanti sa ilang own practice, no, but they're really here to help us. Atong mga volunteer nurses, ang atong mga other medical staff, salamat kay sa inyo ha na naadyo mo diri. I wouldn't want to keep this long, but you know, we intend to do this long term and more of this in the future. So, salamat kaayo and expect na we will do everything on our end sa Cebu province to put forth the efforts on healthcare. So, salamat kaayo sa inyong tanan.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nikki, for your tireless effort in making this mission possible as well. And now, to inspire us even more, we will hear from the woman whose heart and leadership has put healthcare at the forefront of the province's priorities and whose vision made this event a reality. Our People's Governor, Honorable Pamela Baricuatro.
Maayong buntag sa kanan. Before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge my fellow public servants who are here this morning. No, I'd like to acknowledge Board Member Red Durano. Red Duterte, sorry. Isigang Makani. Board Red Duterte. Board Member Mike Villamor. Yeah. Of course, Mayor Nito Durano. Mayor, you've always been there from day one with unconditioned yun ang inuhang pagsuporta na ko, Mayor. From day one na, naging ka. So, yeah. Salamat kaayo and also for accommodating us. No, I really had a good night's sleep. Kanindot kayo yung lugar dito, Mayor. And also the adobo and the bambi. Ako paborito. Ugasahos. Ako paborito sa inyong balay. So I always think kung maatubos balay sa mga Durano. And of course, Vice Mayor Ivy Durano. Vice, salamat kayo sa imong pag-atiman gabi na mo. Danao City Councilors, Mayor Felihor Kenyo, Municipality of Compostela, Mayor Alfredo Arquilano Jr., Municipality of San Francisco, Mayor, Assistant Provincial Administrator ang atong APA, Alvin Ancases, Chief of Hospital, Dr. Janina Canoy. Of course, Mayor also, Griman Solante, Municipality of Tudela. Vice Mayor Chiseline Maratas, Municipality of Pilar. Vice municipal and city officials of the different LGUs of the 5th District, Provincial Administrator, Attorney Ace Durano. Sec, salamat kaayo. You know, I took you out of retirement yun. I know you're living a good life na, but because of your promise to help me, naagitaw ka sa Kapitolyo, 12 to 16 hours with me all the way and setting up the provincial capital. I cannot thank you enough. Our partners, UCMed, Chonghua, and Cebu Medical Society. Doc, salamat kaayo. I know, overwhelming kaayo in your presence today. The head of hospitals of UCMed and Chonghua. What can I say? This is an act of God. We are all brought together this morning. No, overwhelming kaayo ang presensya ni sa katauhan diri karon. This is a very overwhelming and heartwarming event karon. No, I'm really speechless for what's going on right now. Naghiusa ka tanan private public sector na ani karon, nakita na to ang suporta gyud ninyo mga doctors at mga volunteers sa na-mention ni Doc Elise ganina, no? Daghan kaayong salamat to. And I would also like to thank my unika iha, the PISO consultant of the Capitol, Dr. Elise Nicole Catalan. You would have been gainfully employed with your educational background abroad, but you chose to help me in the Capitol. Thank you so much. Tanan sa mga empleyado ng Lupyo diri sa distrito sa Danao. Thank you kaayo, Mayor Nico, for accommodating us here in Danao. Unique ka ini nga programa karon sa EDSA, no? Kay nagtapok yun ang private o public sectors. Kani ato mga doctors diri karon, they are head of hospitals. Mga sikat ka ini nga mga doctor diri, and yet niadyo sila out of their busy schedule to be here with us and help us sa ato ang healthcare services diri sa probinsya. O mga doctors na naminaw na to, kabaw ko, namumpanya yun mo na to. Abi ninyo, ako kabalo, pero kabalo ko. Yeah. Swerte kayo po kay during the campaign, magaghan kayo na suporta na to, ang katawhan yung suporta na to. Karoon nga nakadaog na ta, naagihapon ang inyong suporta. Di makita ninyo yung suporta na ko. Karoon, naklaro na lang yun mo. Pero sa una, nagtago-tago pa ng uban. Pero karoon, malag yun, out in the open. And kani makabenefit din sa ating katauhan, especially din sa Danao City. This is our second leg of our surgical and medical mission. Diri mismo sa Danao Takaron, no? This, according to Elise, no, this mission is just a start and more to come. Thank you to all who helped Danao City government and also Danao City government for always welcoming us with open arms. Padayon ta sa pag-alagad sa katauhan, padayon ta sa atong pagserbisyo. Kay kini ato ani ang Subo, I am just a facilitator here. My job is to promote the general welfare of the province of Cebu. Kamo ang mga eksperto. So I rely sa inyong guidance, especially sa medical care. Ug daghan kay salamat kanatong tanan. And I just want you to know that my heart is full because of what's happening this morning. Nakita na ko ang suporta sa katauhan. People ask me, where do I get my strength? I'm all over the place. But then, when I see all of us here together, that gives me strength. Thank you, kaayo.
Daghan kaayo salamat. Our People's Governor, Pamela Balicuatro, for that very moving message.
I would also like to thank Sheridan Marketing for donating to us 50 wall front para sa atong hospital.
Sorry to cut lang po sa my fans also go to the other hospitals sa ato sa PH Hospital. So, nauna lang abot ang sa Danao.
So now, dahil salamat sa Sheridan Marketing sa inyong gidonate ng wall fan. Abi ko man na iparaffle ni karon. Dili di ay. Without daghan kayong salamat for your moving message. Welcome. Usadjud ko sa secretly supporter ni Gov Pamisa Garcia, ako ang middle name. And now, yeah, I know this is just the beginning, and as someone from Danao City, excited kayo ko for what's to come, knowing that there is a clear alignment on health priorities between the city government of Danao and the Cebu provincial government, headed by Governor Pam Maricuadro. So this alignment means more access, more health services pohon, and more hope for every Danawanan and Cebuanan. This mission is proof that when leaders value health as a right, not a privilege, lives are changed and communities grow stronger. And truly, when leaders share the same priority, direction, and commitment, services like this become possible. Indeed, what we are witnessing today sa Lingon pa ni Gopam and Dr. Liz, this is a beautiful example of unity in public service. The capital, the private hospitals, our city government, our local health workers coming together for a shared purpose to save lives and give our fellow Cebuanos a chance at a healthier, brighter future. This is more than just an event para sa mga pasyente. This could mean the start of a pain-free life, a stronger body, and a renewed hope. And for that, we thank everyone involved, from our top provincial and city officials to the volunteers, nurses, and everyone working behind the scenes. Anyway, di na nakadugayon pa, on behalf of the Cebu provincial government and the city government of Danao, welcome, and let us look forward to a fruitful and meaningful two-day mission. Before we go, I know, let's take this opportunity para sa tuang group photo. Let's start with our city officials together with our People's Governor, Pam Maricuadro, to be followed by our provincial officials, then next our doctor volunteers and CPH personnel. So for first group, the Danao City officials together with our People's Governor, Pam Maricuadro. Please prepare provincial officials. Provincial officials next, and next ay Changwa officials. And you see them. And last but not the least, natin ang mga CPH personnel. Okay. May group na lang dito itong group photo. Hi, very good tayo. Yung tayo yung support sa tuwang vertical. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Heart sign. Bugnaw sir din siya para sa mga Cebuano. And ready pa wave sa amuang camera. So next, our city, our provincial officials, our board members, our city mayors from the 5th District of Cebu. Honorable Greg Duterte, Honorable Mike William Moore, and the rest of our mayors from the 5th District of Cebu. Everyone, mayors, different mayors from the 5th District of Cebu, please come forward for the group photo. Up next, ito ang mga national partners from Chongwa. By group lang dito ay di makaingo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile. Okay. Up next, our partners from Chongwa Hospital. Chongwa Hospital, let's take a group photo together with our People's Governor. Chongwa Hospital. Okay, one. Okay. Let's arrange ourselves and give your best marks.
Okay, Chongwa.
Chongwa. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile. Yan. Okay, next. Chongwa and one Chongwa and 3, 2, and 1.
One Chongwa.
Thank you.
Next, our partners from the UC-Man. UC-Man? Buhala. Yes. Daghang kayo salamat ninyo. Chongwa Hospital and UC-Man. Daghang kayo salamat. So, duhalan sa from UC-Man, pinagsugid na ang katuang mga doctors from UC-Man sa pagkalagay sa mga nangyayari ng surgeries. Up next, ang Cebu Medical Society. Okay. All right. One, two, three, smile. Thank you so much, UC Med. Up next, Cebu Medical Society. Cebu Medical Society, please come forward. And last but not the least, ang ato ang mga personnel, of course, from the Cebu Provincial Hospital, Danao. Okay, Cebu Medical Society, please come forward. Hindi sa din nato kalimtan up next kanin ng Sheridan Marketing. Nag-donate o walk-on sa tuwang Cebu Provincial Hospital. After that, personnel of the CPH. One, two, three, smile. Daghang kayo salamat, Cebu Medical Society. Up next, may nagpamatid na rin ang mga personnel from the Cebu Provincial Hospital. Sige. Group photo ka, guys. Group photo para mag-post din natin. And you can really grab your photos from the city. Facebook page.
Atras.
Ready.
Up next, we're the KJ supporter, diri si Gopam. Magdaghantay kayo salamat sa Med Captain also. And Sir Gopam. Magdaghantay kayo salamat, Sir, sa inyo. O, magpa-picture lesson. Nagpapanin ako man si kailangan supporters.
Pasalamat sa nurses and staff diri sa Danao Provincial Hospital. Dili mag-uol kay help is coming. We shall return.
Bob, dapat tayo magpa-picture from Sheridan Marketing and Matt Captain. And atong mga barangay health workers, nag-prepare sa likod, na sila mag-repeat picture with our government fund. Grabe, overwhelming yung tayong support. Yung mga tao dito. Okay, name your photo with Sheridan Marketing. Up next from Matt Captain. Go pa nga mag-yun from Ned Captain. Ned Captain, katong ni-delete ang mga machines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Selfie with sir. Okay. And last, atong barangay health workers. Last na yun na, go.
Sa mga BHW, December, ay madawat cash, kaya nagawid sa cash.
Siyempre, go! Ang MC Diego! Lisa, can I request to give your photo? Is there a picture? Tara, daghag mga picture. Okay, Governor Pam needs to go. Kay mga ito pa siya sa mga kaibigan sa iyo. We're live sa Danao City Government official Facebook page. And keep posted sa tuang official photos. And tanawan yung dagway sa live. Grabe kaayo nyo ang support sa tuang People's Governor. Daghan kayo salamat. Huwag masidla kung buntag ka natin tanong.
sigop pa.
Oh, di na ko ba? Wala mo ginagawa.
Larong, doon na dito na. Ivy. Pagkita ko nimo kayo. Pagkita ko live. Sige. Pagkita ko nimo. Sige. Sige, pangita daw kayo. Para magtupad na ko nito. Nasi gopang. Yan yung igupod na. Isa na siya. Ay, hali nga sa spot. Wala pa naman sa atin ko. Sa? Masidlakong buntag. Mga danawanon, happy Saturday. Naata din karon samtangan nga gibisita ni People's Governor Pambari 4 ang Danao Hospital sa Cebu Province, Cebu Provincial Hospital Danao. Kung bago lang natapos ang programa, buong programa kaganiha o karon panahon na sab nga tagsapagsaon niya kung bisita ang mga rooms dinhi sa ospital. Smile! We're live sa Danao City Government Facebook page. Hi, Ma! Tira ka din? Okay.
Busig na rin ako.
O gini na natapos no ang short program sa opening nato sa 2-day medical surgical o free medical consultation. O inuban na nato no ang ato ang mga city councilors from the Danao City Government. We also have our City RMO Chief, Sir Jik Reyes, together with former City Mayor Meg Serrano. O atong mga kapulisan yung full force ini makita natin. And mga dalaman sila tapos ang ato ang short program sa atong opening sa 2-day medical surgical mission second round sa ato ang efforts no initiative ni siya sa Cebu Provincial Government under the leadership of the People's Governor Pamela Baricuatro. Stay updated sa mga post mga dalaman. Daghang salamat ug ayaw kalimti ang panggawas. Have a safe and great Saturday. Kita sa miglamig.